What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and set up Android Studio on your Windows 11 PC. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android app development, and setting it up correctly is the first step to creating your own apps. First, open up your web browser and search for Android Studio download. The first link should be from developer.android.com. Click on this link to go to the official Android Studio download page. On this page, you'll see a button that says Download Android Studio. Click on it. Before the download begins, you'll need to agree to the license terms and conditions by checking the box. Once you've done that, click the download button again to start downloading the Android Studio setup file. Once the exe file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation process. If you see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This will open the Android Studio setup wizard. The first screen will ask you to confirm starting the setup process. Click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you see the components that will be installed: Android Studio and the Android Virtual Device. These are essential for app development and testing. Click Next to continue. The installer will then ask where to install Android Studio. If you don't have a specific reason to change it, leave the default location as it is and click Next. The setup will then ask about the Start menu folder. Again, leave it as default unless you have specific preferences and click Install. The installation process will begin, and you'll see a progress bar. You can click on Show Details to see more information about the installation. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's complete, you'll see a message saying the installation was successful. Click Next, and on the final screen, leave the checkbox to launch Android Studio checked, and then click Finish to start Android Studio. When Android Studio launches for the first time, it will prompt you with a setup wizard to configure your installation. You might be asked whether you want to send usage statistics to Google. This is optional, and you can select Don't Send if you prefer not to share data. Once that's done, Android Studio will open its main window. Before creating a project, you should set up a virtual device for testing your apps. Click on More Actions from the main screen and select Virtual Device Manager. Since no devices are set up yet, click Create Virtual Device. From the options, select a device category like phone and choose any specific model of your liking. Click Next to proceed. Now, you'll need to select a system image for the virtual device. Choose a version of Android and click the download button next to it. This will download the necessary files for the virtual device. Once the download is complete, click Finish, select the downloaded system image and click Next. Leave the AVD name and setting as default and click Finish again to create your virtual device. If you encounter issues with virtualization, you may need to enable it in Windows. Close Android Studio and open the control panel. Navigate to Programs, Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and check Windows Hypervisor Platform and Hyper-V if it's available to you. Click OK to apply your changes and then restart your PC when prompted. After restarting, reopen Android Studio and verify that your virtual device is listed in a device manager. To test it, click Start to launch the virtual device. The emulator should boot up within a few moments. Now that your setup is complete, you can create your first project. Click on New Project from the main screen. Select Phone and Tablet and choose a template like Basic Activity. Click Next and then configure the project details. Set a name for your project, such as My Application 01, and leave the package name and file location as default. Ensure the language is set to Kotlin or Java if you prefer, and the minimum SDK is API 24. Click Finish to create the project. Android Studio will take a few moments to set up your project. You may see a progress bar for Gradle Build Sync. Once everything is loaded, you'll see your project structure on the left and the design view of your app on the right. If you want to test your app, click on the Run App button at the top. Ensure your virtual device is running, and the app will be installed and launched on the emulator. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.